Good afternoon, welcome to my channel. This is a unboxing video of a new laptop that I just received about an hour ago. It's a Dell XPS 13-inch model 9340. This one's a little special. I got it with 64 gigabytes of RAM. It's got a 2 terabyte SSD solid state drive. It comes with the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, the 155H, 24 megabytes cache, 16 cores, and up to a clock speed of 4.8 gigahertz. This one is in the graphite color, and I have a XPS 15-inch, which if you saw some of my previous videos, I did an unboxing on that. But I decided to kind of go to a smaller profile, and kind of excited to see how this looks. So stay tuned. Okay, here's the package that was delivered by FedEx. Pretty compact package, it's got some weight to it, but not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and open it. As you can see here, go ahead and unbox it. And here's what's inside. So this actually has, I think, the actual laptop in it. Looks like there's really not much left there. Pretty interesting. So I'll set that aside. Let's just go ahead and open the box. Let's see how you open this. All right, that just pops open. And there it is. Looks really pretty compact. Comes well protected in the box there. Let's see. Go ahead and hold that. And as you've seen in most videos, you'll see here's the standard wires and plugs that come with it. The charging plug and the cables. So that's pretty standard. Not waste any time on that. Let's go ahead and open up the actual laptop here. This comes in this little protective cloth, and let's see. Pretty small, pretty compact profile, which is what I was looking for. So let's go ahead and open it up. And there she is. How about that? You guys can't see it, but there it is. Pretty nice looking piece of work here. Go ahead and take the packaging off. And you can see the keyboard there. Very nice. Intel Evo sticker. This is like Gorilla Glass. And I got the screen that I ended up getting was a 13.4 inch. It's a 28 by 80 by 1800. It's a 3K touch screen, 400 nits brightness. This was the highest I could get in the touch screen. There was one option higher than this, I think 500 nits or something, maybe even over 500, but it wasn't a touch screen. So anyway, that's the quick unboxing video of the Dell XPS 9340 that I just received today. Today is September 21st, 2024. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.